In a small town where time moves slow, there's a man working so the dreams can grow. With Dirt on his hands and a sweat on his brow. He's holding on to hope, he won't let go. He wakes up early before the sun can rise, takes a sip of coffee, wipes the sleep from his eyes. He heads out to the fields where the day begins, working on a dream beneath the big sky. He's working on a dream. With every step he takes, planting seeds of hope through the highs and the breaks. He's got his eyes set on a future bright and white.
See the same cat twice a day, and the same mailman, and the same couple on the same walk, holding the same hand. See the same dog in the same park, taking the same dump, and the same neighbor down the street, hitting the same bump. But one thing you won't see is me.